Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at research methodology, and in that today we are going to talk about literature survey. So why do we need to do literature survey or literature review? Now it's a very crucial component of your research, and the entire process it plays a very significant role in the research process. But why is it so? So, all of us want to do research which is going to be useful. And then, how do you measure that usefulness? Well, you can compare it with whatever earlier research has been done in the field. So, are you circumventing some problems which were there earlier, or are you going for some newer avenues or alternatives to whatever loopholes there were already there? So all these things you would know if you do an exhaustive research literature survey. So it's very important that you literally do detailed analysis. Now we can also say that it is contextualizing your research. So there is a body of work which has already been done in this field, and this is the existing body of knowledge. And then where does your research proposal fit in? So it's going to help situate your research in that. And it will also help you identify what are the gaps or what are the limitations in the with the current work that has already been done, and then how you can work towards filling those gaps or finding alternatives so that these limitations are taken care of, right? And whatever work has been done so far, that is going to be like the foundation of your research. So we all know that if the foundation is strong, only then you can build upon it something even stronger. Now when you are doing a literature survey, it's going to come up with several ideas. So you would know about different ways of designing the research and all kinds of methodologies that have been used. Even researchers do mention what problems they face. So sometimes you can design your own research so that you won't face those problems. So after, there's one very practical use of it is that in order to avoid duplication. So suppose if you already decide a research problem, work on it, and then after working on it, if you realize that no, this was already done and results have already been published, what's the point, right? All the efforts that you've taken have just gone wasted. So instead of doing that, if you earlier itself do an exhaustive literature survey, you can avoid this kind of duplication. And then so let's we have seen so far that how it is going to help you first of all define your own research proposal, have your own hypotheses, then designing your pathway. Now when you have done all that, you've conducted experiments, and when you have a lot of data, again literature survey comes to your help. That is because you want to analyze the data, you want to interpret it, or in some cases you want to build a theoretical framework for your research. And that is where again literature survey is going to help you, because it has been parallelly done by several other researchers for the same field. So it can also tell you some things that you could avoid, or it can also tell you some things which you could directly use. So in all, literature survey is going to help you at every stage of your research. So it's like looking at the past so that you do your present studies in view of whatever future applications you have in mind. Or so it's a chain, so as to say, a timeline of the field, that you look at whatever has already been done, the historical aspects, as well as what is being done currently, right? It will help your own research, and then you can build up based on that, and analyze and interpret whatever results you have got. So a very very crucial stage, or a very very crucial step in your research process is conducting an exhaustive literature survey. Thank you.